I'm just
Already
dancing
married.
like this. I'm just like, no.
Okay, so are we like fully ready to shoot now?
Not the network is struggling, bro. Please.
Yeah,
Please.
because the whole Red Sea thingy.
Yeah, my network was not working yesterday, bro. We were supposed
Yeah.
to shoot. That's why I was like praying today, and it
Hmm.
seemed fine. The guy came to fix it and stuff, and he's like, "I can't do anything." I'm like, "Why the fuck are you
The
here
issues
then?"
under the sea.
Like you did what I did, turn on and off the router. Like,
Okay, let's go.
so we ready? For it,
Oh,
right?
what's up, guys? Welcome back. What's up? Welcome to Did I Ask for This Party?
Potty. Sounds like potty.
That's the whole point.
Potty only this.
She thinks she's so cool and shit,
Listen,
bro.
listen, listen. Multiple people, okay, two people have come back to me and told me, Did I ask for this party? Sounds cool.
So, guys, it's called Did I Ask? How are we doing? How are you doing, Shruts? Here's Shruti Aljit Nair.
What the fuck? Your full name.
The whole government.
Look her up on IG.
Look her up on IG, bro. I'm not trying to get famous.
But with that face card, you can't help it. It's inevitable.
Don't worry,
I'm
the people will come
blushing.
seek you out like they did the last time.
Exactly. Exactly.
Stop.
Should we get right into the big
Yeah, please
question?
tell us what is
Yeah.
the question for today?
But no one even knows how y'all know me. This is like, yeah, some girl.
Oh yeah, let's do like an intro. Okay, so any memories of the first time we met Shruts?
11th grade, first day.
11th grade. Yeah.
I was a cutie.
Yeah, you've been a cutie, bro.
Okay, to be
Yeah.
fair, like we all went to the same school, so I think I'd probably seen her around like in school, but we just didn't know each other.
I was quite invisible in school,
No,
TBH.
but you know
Yeah,
how
she
like
was a
people's
good girl.
faces
Like,
are familiar type shit. Yeah, I think the
Yeah,
faces
I
were
mean,
familiar.
I feel like our batch was together for so
Yeah,
long
exactly.
that by the
yeah.
end of it, you'll be like, somewhere I've
Yeah,
seen this.
Yeah,
exactly.
dude, our 11th and 12th grade batch was like 600 people.
Yeah.
So, like, it's not that big a class.
And also, IHS has like the most track record for having people from KG like finishing off till
Correct.
Yeah.
12th.
It's that fee structure.
Yeah.
Facts.
Bro.
Cheap, bro.
Yeah, like,
How did we all end up
That was,
sitting together is my question.
we kind of gravitated towards each other.
I vaguely remember that in the beginning, it was like 10 girls or 12 girls or something that like I remember we had like a sleepover at Sanjay's place or something.
No, I think it's like we all knew one person in the group already, and then
correct.
then they knew each other, and it just became like one
Yeah,
Yeah.
network.
that's true actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, we all met in 11th grade. And then, yeah, we got close like basically in the first couple of weeks of school. And then we've just, this is just our girls.
Yeah.
Like, this
And
is
then
co crew.
in those 2 years, I think we spent every day with each other because we were also like going for tuitions together.
Even in the day, we spent
Yeah.
a solid like 6, 7 hours with each other. Okay, so now let's actually introduce the question. Why did we bring Shruts on today, Sanj? Tell us.
Yeah, so this time we have a very spicy question that only Shruts can help us with because she is the most like unhinged, most controversial shit. She'll just say whatever's on her mind, as you will see now in the rest of this episode. So we're very excited to have her as a guest.
I've become a good girl recently.
Yeah, but she's done some very bad things before.
What?
And that's what we can discuss. So, you guys, this week's big question is why so aggressive?
Excited.
Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, can a guy and girl just be friends?
It's gonna be a most watched
I
video.
hope so.
And you
Yeah,
know who will
fingers
watch it?
crossed. Controversial question, Max.
Especially in Dubai, I think, like, dude, that's really hard. Like, with most girl and guy friendships, there's like some history, some.
Dubai, it's not hard. It's impossible.
Oof.
Okay, say
You
less.
already
Say
answered.
less.
Everyone has max one guy best friend left. Let's be real.
Yeah, fact.
And the other ones are there because maybe by God's grace they found other girlfriends and they're like happy.
No, but think about it. If they were single, they'd still probably try to make a move on you.
Facts.
Mm.
My question
Facts.
is, okay, I already have a first question. Why does Dubai have so many single boys or single guys, but like such few single women? What's happening?
I just think it's the people we know.
Yeah, I fully agree.
We keep generalizing as Dubai as like as though we are full
You know,
Dubai.
I fully
It's
agree
just so.
because I talk about the kind of drama we deal with, like our group deals with, to other people in my life, like my brother, my other friends who are not part of this, I don't know, black hole. And they're always like, why is your group and your friend circle so dramatic, bro? Why has everyone dated
Yeah.
everyone? Everyone's hooked up with everyone. What's going on? Like, where are the boundaries? And I'm like, it's just a batch.
There are some people with like peaceful friend groups. I think it's the ones where it's like a, like how these same state people will have same state friends.
Mm.
They are the
Mm-hmm.
most peaceful ones because they're proper family, bro. Like
Mm.
when Mallus are friends with only Mallus, you know, you know what I mean?
What the fuck?
The
That's
Sindhi
so
people are
funny.
friends with only the Sindhi people. It's full family,
Why do you
family,
make it
brother,
like
brother. They're all
Sangam type
happy.
shit, bro? Some
No, it's
Samajam.
true though. Like I know other people who have like maybe like only Malu friends and they're doing chill. Like no one likes each other like that.
I
But
have
it's
heard otherwise though.
really
Yeah, like the same state people also have some or the other
fuck.
something. Dude, I don't know. I just think it's like our batch, maybe
Yeah, I
like a
think it's a
couple batches
batch.
older, couple batches younger,
Yeah,
and we're all just wilding.
I fully
Like,
agree.
okay, I saw this reel recently about this chick that was like, what's happening with the people who are born between like 96 to like 2000? She's like, what are we doing? She's like, actually, what are we doing? Because we're so confused. We know what we want, we know what we don't want, but we're not actually going anywhere in life. Like, like she was just saying that like we're so bad with relationships. We know what kind of relationship we want, but we are not gonna find that relationship. It's this age group where we know too much, but
You're
we're
not
not able to
acting on
like
it.
do anything about it. Progress.
Honestly, I think I can slightly like relate to that, bro. Because my brother, he's 2002 and he has his shit together, bro. He has his shit together and he's always shitting on me when I tell him all the like tea. He's like, you guys are supposed to be the adults. Like, why are you still doing this 18-year-old high school type shit? Like, what's going on? And I'm like, damn, just say we have
I
life.
think COVID like froze us in between.
I agree.
Could
Mm,
be that.
That's also true.
interesting
We
theory.
couldn't live our
Yeah.
early 20s properly.
During our prime
Our
years when
peak
we
college
our
years.
peak college years when we should have been like growing up, like getting our shit together, COVID came, everyone
Snatched it
got fully
away.
demotivated, everyone's life went on pause, and then now they're just like starting to like melt.
Yeah, I
And like
agree. That's a
Yeah.
good theory.
Dude, my brother judges us so hardcore. He's like, you're 27. Like, what are you doing? He's like, no one's getting married in your friend group. And he's like, no one, no plan. Like, what proper aunties
Yeah,
looking at
what the
me.
fuck? That's
to be
crazy.
fair, I feel like I'm the only person who I know whose friends are not getting married.
Correct.
Yeah, I also feel the same. My mom was telling me this the other day. She's like, I don't know how every time I speak to you, there's some or the other friend of a friend and all who's getting married, but your friends are not getting married. And that means you're not getting married. And I'm like, damn, say less, mother.
And the thing, it's not even on the horizon for like most of
Yeah.
us. Like, it's not
Exactly.
even something that we're like actively thinking
But
about.
genuinely, it's only our group that I know of. Like every other group, people are all getting married.
We post my groups.
And I feel like most of the women I meet
Yeah.
that I surround myself with, no one's getting married.
Nah, bro, for me, like even my uni group, like everyone's getting married now. That entire group is going out one by one.
Yeah, bro, juniors are getting married, like
Juniors
I
having
seniors
saw
are
kids,
having kids
bro.
now. Yeah, juniors are having kids, agreed.
Oh, it's crazy. Like when I
very
hear
disappointed.
people tell me that they're pregnant and shit, yeah, I'm like going into overdrive, right? I'm like, are you sure about this? Like, I don't know. You need to go see
And you
Gynec.
forget that we're like,
And then it hits
this
me
is the
that we're 27 and it's actually quite a normal age to be pregnant.
right?
Yeah. Anyways,
Anyway.
full different
Again,
topic.
derailed, hardcore derail. So, Shruts,
So,
What was it?
you had a theory about guys and girls being friends, right? What was your theory?
yeah, tell us
Alright.
the theory, dude.
So it's not my theory. It's a theory that I heard from my guy friends.
Okay, it's
Okay.
their
Okay.
theory.
They said their theory, okay? And they're like apparently guys are friends with girls that they're attracted to, and girls are friends with guys that they're not attracted to.
Mm.
But you know, when I heard this, and I was like sitting in a room with all my guy friends, yeah, and I'm like, wait a minute, what? What?
What are you trying to say right
What are you
now?
trying to say right now? I thought I was your sister.
Wait,
Mm.
wait, wait. So can you say that again? Let me clock this. Girls are friends with guys that they are not attracted to.
Yeah,
But the
yeah,
other way
like
for guys.
besties.
Yeah,
Damn, that makes sense. I
they're
don't
only
have many
friends
guy
with
friends. Lamau.
And also, then once they get girlfriend, they'll forget you also. Okay, that's
Mm.
100% there.
But that's if
You
he's a
think?
good guy. Like if he's a bad guy, he'll try to keep you on the side also. Bestie.
Yeah, little standby vibes.
He'll be like, oh, you're my best friend, but
Fair.
that's my babe.
So true. I fully lived that for so many years.
Okay, tell us. What did you
No.
live
Wait, you lived
Oh
that
my
as in you
god.
were the girlfriend or you were the best friend?
I was the best friend
Damn,
for
side chick.
so many
Say
years.
less, bro.
For like good 5, 6 years, I think.
while he had a girlfriend?
He had like multiple girlfriends.
Oh,
You know, he
okay.
had two girlfriends, two serious girlfriends.
Did you have a thing for him from the jump? Like, how did that happen?
When we first became friends, I liked him. But then again, I was really young and we really got along. So I thought I was like, oh, we get along. We're the like this is the
Yeah,
one. And I was
yeah,
so innocent back then, you know.
yeah.
So like I wanted to like I fully like then he came and was like, oh my god, this is how we got fully lovers. I'm like, oh shit, okay. I was like, okay, I'll be bestie, bro. And then yeah, we were friends for like a really long time. Then he broke up. But the thing was, every time he broke up with any of the girls, like he'd fully depend on me emotionally, okay? And for like a brief, maybe a day or so, he'll be like he'll get confused, like, do I like you? And then I have to remind him, yo, by the way, you're just sad.
Mm.
you know?
Mm,
And yeah, it's a sticky place to
That's
be
like
at.
so mentally taxing as well, yeah. Because being on the
yeah,
receiving end, it's like, fuck, bro, I like this guy, and this fucker can't realize it that he could like me, but he's just being a dickhead and he's using
We
me
had
for
too much ego
emotional.
also. Like I feel like we both would have never admitted to each other properly, even if we did. I mean, I know I wouldn't have until he would have told me, which never happened also, thankfully.
Hmm.
mm,
But yeah.
yeah. Being emotional support human,
Damn,
crazy.
that's an F, bro. Why do you put it like that? Emotional
It's true
support
though.
human
Like,
is wild.
yeah, I mean that's what you are when you're like,
Yeah,
if you
that's
clearly have a
side
thing for your
sideway,
bestie
bro.
and he's gonna,
Yeah,
yeah.
full sideway vibes. That's why it's don't be friends with people you like. Don't
Mm,
try to be besties with your
But then,
crush,
but then you're
bro.
saying that the theory is kind of valid, right? Because then women are friends with guys that they don't find attractive.
yeah.
Yeah, then after that I learned.
Okay.
Since then, if I feel like I could have a thing for this guy, I won't keep him as a bestie. The fuck no.
But would you
Yeah.
still stay friends? Like, where is
What?
the line that you draw?
Stay friends with
Like a
who?
guy that you find attractive. Maybe you're not besties with him, but like, would you still stay friends with the guy? Or would you cut him out completely?
No, if I find him attractive, then I'll try to be with him. No.
Oh, 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 right. Fair enough. Fair enough.
She's saying that she just wouldn't do the best friend
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
thing.
got
Like
it, got
I'll
it.
just
You
fully
can't do
decide.
the.
I'm like,
Okay,
oh,
understood, understood.
like I'll try to go out with him, and like if it doesn't work out, then cool. Then I can put it in my past. But
Right,
then
right,
like
right, right.
I wouldn't try to be like, let's be besties. Fuck no.
Yeah,
Mm.
fair enough.
Kiss me now.
That used to be like Shrut's like motto. Kiss me now.
Kiss me now. That's one thing though, okay? Like, even though I've ever, like, in my life, luckily, if I've ever been rejected by a guy, yeah, somehow, many years later, they will come back. I will, I will, I'll get a hint, I'll get a kiss, and then I'll dip.
You see this face? It only looks innocent, okay?
This was what we were talking about in the
That-
beginning, guys. All the naughty things she's left in the past.
Yeah. Wait,
but,
I want to like go back to this like best friend situation,
yeah,
right? And
yeah.
then we'll move back to this
No.
kissing her friends
No!
situation.
It's not kissing friends.
Okay, sure. So how did that end? Like, are you still friends with him? Like, what happened with that?
He's living happily. No, it ended really badly. I
Like,
think we finally like hooked up and shit, and we knew it was not working, and then things went off. Yeah, it was just a lot of. It wasn't playing out well.
did you consider being friends with him after that?
Hell no.
Fair
Okay.
enough. She finally learned her lesson,
Yeah.
Yeah,
bro.
this happened like few times where it was like I would be sidelined, Then he'll find a new girl and I'm immediately sidelined. And then I was like, why am I staying in this? If I didn't have feelings for him and he was keeping me on the side, fair. I would respect the fact that he's giving his attention to his new girl and that's why he's putting me on side. And as a friend, I would understand. But since I
Mm,
knew that I was having some sort of feelings, I thought it was unfair for myself to put myself in that situation,
Yeah.
you know?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that was also another thing.
Let me ask one question, yeah. So, how far do you think you can go with someone and then go back to being friends?
Oh,
Do you get what I mean?
hecky question.
Like, what's like the line where you're like, okay, now we actually can't be friends?
I feel like there's no line until you get a partner. Like
Interesting.
you can hook up with someone and then fully be besties after that. Okay. And that is if both of you are so clear that it's just like one of those I'm attracted to you and I was bored and I was like horny or whatever and like we've hooked up. But like I don't see myself being in a relationship with you because maybe I have some sort of stuff that I look for in a partner and they don't
Yeah.
sort of have those qualities and that's the only like we're not a match in terms of relationship,
Yeah,
but like I'm attracted to you,
yeah,
whatever. But then after that, once you get another partner, and this
Mm,
is like a serious relationship and then you have to it has to be a conversation of whether they are comfortable with you still being in touch with them,
yeah.
like you have to explain the whole thing and it's not easy because
mm,
I feel like some people there are like two different types of people, right? One is people who put emotions in like sexual relationships
correct.
and people who don't put emotions in sexual relationships.
Okay.
It's just like a
Transaction.
need thing.
Mm,
It's like not even a transaction. It's like it's sort of like oh, it was a need at the time.
mm.
Like you crave chocolate, you eat chocolate.
Yeah,
Done.
like that is just that. Like
Yeah,
it's
it's
at
literally
face
that.
value.
It's
Yeah.
just that face value, and you don't feel for that person. You
Mm.
don't emotionally feel
You're not
anything. You're
attached.
not
Yeah.
attached to the person at all. Then there's some people who can't be
Dissociate
attracted to
that.
someone with like yeah, they can't differentiate between the physical aspect of it and the emotional aspect of it.
Correct.
So those people will never understand
Yeah,
Mm.
that. Those kind of partners will never understand that oh, you were with this person and it was just a physical thing and that's
yeah,
it. They will
Right.
always think oh, do you slightly care for them? Is that why you're keeping them
yeah.
around?
Correct.
Or like is it something more? But then sometimes this is not,
Mhm.
so it depends on what kind of partner you have after that. But
Mm.
also as besties who hook up, you should be very clear, like you should know that now that we've hooked up and we get other partners later, if later on they are uncomfortable, don't
Yeah, yeah.
expect that from each other to keep each other in
Keep
the life.
being friends.
You want
Yeah.
to keep your bestie in your life, don't kiss them.
Correct. That's actually very valid.
Yeah, just don't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, the only like differentiating factor is how emotionally involved were you with that friend when you, I don't know, hooked up with them, right? So normally it's
Mm.
like what you were saying, if you're not emotionally involved in that situationship, but it was more like the face value thing, you can stay friends.
Mm.
Like I even think it's easy to stay friends with somebody like that because you are not emotionally involved. But when you are emotionally involved, I even think it's harder to stay friends with that person because if you did like them and it didn't work out for whatever reason, now it's just getting complicated.
Fair.
How do you know if like okay, say you have like a best friend that you're attracted to, right? How do you know that like this might actually be something? Like it's kind of easy to blur that line in your mind of like I'm so comfortable with this person, we're clearly like compatible as friends, but like I don't know, what do you think that thing is that puts it over the edge that like you guys could actually be good together?
I think you need to really, I don't know, see them when they're in a relationship with someone else.
Oh,
I
that's
feel like you
interesting.
need to see how they are as a boyfriend and then see is that something that aligns with what I want.
That's true.
And then if you feel like, because guys as a best friend and guys as a boyfriend are so fucking different.
That's very true.
They're two different people. Because as friends, sometimes jealousy doesn't come out, insecurity is not a thing, you know. But when you're in a relationship, no matter how cool, confident, when you love someone and you reach that peak vulnerable state, it'll come out little bit. Okay, it's just it's there in everyone.
Right.
It's just you love someone so much, it just comes out. Then it's about how healthy you handle that jealousy and insecurity or whatever. As long as you identify that it's within yourself and not something they are doing to make you feel that way, then it's fine, you
Hmm.
know. So again,
Right.
it's like you have, why did I fully went some other tangent, sorry.
No, no, you're fine. You did one PhD on this,
I
it seems.
did.
I feel like I am just here to learn.
Same, I'm learning so
But
much.
Yeah.
but I should write a book. Guys, read my book when it comes out.
Chapter
Guys, you
one.
heard it, you heard it here first.
You didn't hear what she
What'd she
said.
say?
She's like, chapter one, Rahul.
Chapter 2.
No,
Stop.
like Rahul, we could have kept in, bro.
I can't, bro. It's too funny.
Let them
Anyway,
live their life. I only pray for
Okay.
happiness. So, like you were saying,
yeah.
so once you see your best friend as a boyfriend, and you're like, okay, this, I feel like, and you know yourself as a partner, right?
Mm.
Then you fully calculate, will this work out? That's when you can, like, then
Mm.
also sometimes it's all about feeling. Sometimes maybe with you, they're different as a partner because you already have that foundation of being friends.
Right.
But then you have to be attracted to them. It's not something
Yeah.
that builds later, to be very honest. Also, it depends on what's important to you, whether that being fully attracted to, like being that like, some people are just asexual, some people don't feel that kind of, they look for more companionship kind of love,
Mm.
and some people want that very passionate, you know,
Yeah. That
like
physical thing is very
is
important.
very important. It kind of depends on what kind of person you are. So if you think you're the kind of person that holds the being attracted to your partner at more of a priority, then if you're not attracted to your best friend, don't go for it. But if you can see yourself like falling in love with them and see a future where you both are happy, and that could slowly build into some sort of attraction, companionship, or whatever, then go for it.
Okay, see, you were saying you had, like you have to see that person as a boyfriend to be able to judge, right? But if you already like that person, wouldn't it be difficult to see that person be in another relationship?
Yeah, but I've seen friends like realize much later that they like each other.
Okay, so you're
Like
saying,
if you've been friends for a long time, as you get older or whatever, sometimes you kind of forget what's in front of you,
mm,
you know? So I feel like it depends on that also. No?
Yeah. Also, I think when you are like that, if you're like someone's best friend, dude, like you want to wish them the best if they are in a
right?
relationship.
Exactly.
Like you're not out here like,
Yeah, yeah, competing.
yeah, just waiting, being
Yeah, just wait.
manipulative or like,
Yeah, fair enough,
yeah.
fair enough. Have you, so I wanted to know, like, because you were asking, how do you know, like, whether to go for a best friend or not, right? How do you know that not to go for a best friend?
Dude, I don't know. I think it's a bit hard to tell because I'm like, yeah, you guys are like really compatible, you're very comfortable, like everything works, but does that physical attraction build over time? I don't know. I
Hmm.
mean, I kind of agree, I think, with Shruts that maybe it doesn't. And secondly, like, it's always that thing in my mind that, like, is this like just a convenient option? I
Hmm.
don't mean that in a bad way, but I mean, like, this is just so comfortable that, like, is that the reason that I'm thinking about this? And not because like this might be like the love of my life type of thing, you know?
Right, right.
Also, you need to figure out whether you're the kind of person that wants that comfort or wants that spark in your life.
Mm,
If you, some people are super like, I know me at one point I was super very like, no, I just want a like a stable partner who's just, you know, into me, and like, you know, I'll also be into, I love him and stuff like that, but it's just, I just want that one piece, that companionship,
Yeah,
whatever. It's not about spark and, you know,
yeah.
feeling that electricity all the time. Now it's changed. Now I realize I was being stupid. But you need to kind of know
Know
yourself.
yourself,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like see what kind of person you are.
Yeah.
In the past, what have you done? have you built attraction later on, or has it always been from the get-go? If
Yeah.
you're the kind of person who at some point had the possibility of building that attraction, then go for it, then it'll build on its own, like you said. But if you think, no, if I'm not attracted in the beginning, then I'll never be attracted to that person, then don't go for it. It's just as
Yeah.
simple. But you need to do one self-study.
Yeah, real. Because I've always, like, all my relationships have always started as friendships initially.
Yeah,
So I'm like, that's kind of why, like, that thought has come.
fair.
But
I don't
now,
know.
has that changed for you?
I think the sparking is really important, dude. This is a
Mm-hmm.
whole nother question. Like, we'll have to talk about separately because I've had many thoughts about this.
Let me ask another question then. What do you guys think is easier? Is it easier to get into a relationship with somebody you've known and like started off as friends? Or is it easier to just date and get into a relationship? Like know somebody for the purpose of dating and then get into a relationship?
I have a thought on this, okay? Because,
Mm.
I've been like dating and stuff recently. So, bro, I think in Dubai it's so much better when it's a stranger. It's like if we don't have any mutuals, wow.
Fair.
Like God
You're like,
sent you
wow, where
himself.
did you come from?
Sanj is just scared to say different guys' names because I'll be like, oh, that one.
We have to cut that out.
Why? No, as in like every time you're talking to a guy, you're like so scared to come ask me if I know them.
Yeah, dude, because she ruins them for me. She's like, I hooked up with him. That's
No,
usually what it
that's
is.
not true. I'll be like, no,
Or
I
it's like,
spoke to him once.
yeah, or it's like one of the, not hooked up, sorry, like you kissed him or something like that.
Yeah,
Or
or like
like,
I've been out with them.
exactly. Or like, it's like one of the girls has seen him. Or like, dude, it's like Dubai is just so small. And I don't mind like if you've seen other people, but not my girls. Not my
Yeah, that's
girls.
totally
Okay.
fine as
I'm
well.
It's
sorry.
like cancel. It's okay, dude. Like, I
No,
support you in
the
your
thing
endeavors.
was, I was so single for the longest time in between, right? So I feel like that was it. And that time she was not in the country. So like I was fully in the apps and like I went out with these guys and stuff. And then now she's back and those guys are still single. So so it's like, and in
Yeah.
my head, it's that whole dilemma. Do I tell her or do I not tell her? Because
Don't tell her.
maybe they just didn't like me and that's fair. Or like I didn't like them, but she's a completely different
Person, yeah,
person, so they could be
facts.
completely different with her. So I'm just in full because as a girl's girl, I want to tell.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
if
also
it's
as just being Shruts, she wants to tell. It's because she has no, like, she doesn't have that thing where you think a thought, you hear the thought, and then you say the thought. She just says the thought.
it's
They
just
barely even
thought.
thank it.
That's true.
So, like, she just says it, like, immediately, okay? And she's not even saying it to, like, ruin them for me or whatnot. She'll say it with good intention, but I'm like, bro,
Please, I don't
now,
want to
now
know.
it's got to the point where I'm like, only if it's something problematic, you tell me. Like,
Fair. I still tell though.
I
She
know.
just
Can't lie though.
she
If I
will
was in
close
Shrutz's
it.
place, I would tell too.
That's
Ah.
because we both don't think and talk.
Fairs.
We're like even I don't know the meaning of filter. Like I don't know the spelling of filter. I
FIT.
really should learn. But in my head, it's like honesty is the best policy.
Yeah, it's
If I'm
helped though.
Facts.
It's helped. All the like opinions you've given have always like checked
Also, it's
out. So
always
like,
good to go in with that like past information in it. But
true.
it's on you.
yeah,
Like you should be able to, like separate that from the fact that okay, this is like 4 or 5 years ago, and this person could have completely changed now, and I should go with like no bias.
that's the problem, dude.
Exactly. That's
Like I go
hard.
in with that mindset, but sadly they have not changed.
Oh fuck. See,
Facts.
then in that like regard, it was good that Shruts gave you that little,
No, but I think you have to see it through for
yeah,
yourself.
for sure,
Just
for
for this
sure.
to give that person a chance. You never know. Maybe
You never know.
they might go through something traumatic and maybe by God's grace they'll change. Some don't. Some don't.
Oh, she's like fingers crossed.
Guys always change. When's the best time to see a guy is when they've gone through one proper heartbreak. They've
No
learned
matter
their
what, that's when
lessons.
they become fuckboys.
They're slowly no, they finished their fuckboy phase and they're slowly crawling into being
A good
a
man.
good man.
Fair enough.
Then that's the
True.
best time to be like,
Bag you.
Catch.
This is why there are more single men than there are single women in Dubai. Because the women already have a game plan, bro.
but also I think guys need one girl best friend. Find one girl
That's
that you're
true.
not attracted to. Please be friends with her.
Do you not think it's such a red flag when a guy is not friends with any girls?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe this is like something that I've been like coming across after I moved out, but I've heard from so many women that they think it's a red flag that guys have girlfriends.
It depends how many. If you're
Yeah.
only friends with girls, that's also a problem because why don't you like men? But then if you don't know any girls, then why don't women like you? What's the
Or
issue?
it's always like I've
Yeah.
always heard like women have problems with men who have that one really close girl best friend.
But I tell you, the problem comes when the girl best friend looks better than you.
That's
This
it.
is the, I have to say, this is the baseline for everything. Like you can be friends with
Anything is allowed as long as I look
she
better.
is uglier.
That's crazy.
No, it's true. Like you can be friends with how many other people you've hooked up with as
100%.
long as I'm cuter.
Yeah,
Evidently, and
100%.
they know it. Okay.
Even with my past boyfriends, I've realized if I knew their ex and they were better looking than me, full insecurity. No matter how confident I am, not full insecurity, but I can feel the bubbling in my chest.
Hmm.
Okay, so even my last relationship, I was full confident. I was like, I'm a prize to this man and shit like that. Okay, and then with my current boyfriend, yeah, he's only been with foreign girls. I'm his first Indian chick. And I'm like, what the fuck? And believe it or not, till date, I've not even seen one of their picture. Not even one picture.
Best to not know.
I don't want to know.
Yeah,
And he's like,
fellas.
no, baby, you're so cute. You're cuter than all of them. I'm like, okay. I
I
don't
love.
care. I'm just like, I don't want to see. I don't want to know. I don't even know their names.
Let me ask you, Shwek, like, what do you think about this? Like, the girl, like, the best friend being like cuter or not?
Yeah, 100% I'd be pissed.
Yeah.
No, then she better be in one committed, hard fucking relationship where she's in
Yeah.
fucking love with that
No, you
guy.
know what
100.
icks me real hard? It's more than like the attractive thing because I feel like see, I don't think I ever grew up with like a very killer face card. So I always knew how to just kill people with my fashion. So that's my sword, okay? My armor is my fashion, yeah. So I'm never insecure about that. Like even if the bitch is damn hot, I'll outdress her until she feels insecure. I don't mind. But
100%.
my thing here is if the girl is like she's so best friend like oh I'm so protective of him like he's my like life I've
Yes.
known him
Okay.
forever bro I'll punch the bitch.
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no,
dude,
no.
I also think like a lot of the time, see if the guy is attractive, like objectively, and he has a girl best friend, a lot of the time the girl best friend Loki is crushing on him, waiting for him to realize that
Yeah.
she's the one.
Also
But then if your guy best friend's attractive, I wouldn't be best friends with him.
and now that's wild.
But I'm saying like, say like the girl is not as attractive as him, like they're not on the same level, and like she's just like holding on to a little bit. Maybe she doesn't realize how in love with him she is. But I've seen that a lot where like the girl is just she's acting like a girlfriend, you know?
That's what
Oh,
I
I've
also
never
don't
seen
like. I also think it's like red flag in the guy himself if he allows that to happen like that's kind of crazy.
Yeah, that's
See, I'll
true.
tell you another thing, okay? I think growing up like when we were in high school and shit, I've had a lot of guy friends, right? And to the point where it's like, okay,
Yeah.
when they got into relationships, I knew to back off and like maintain a distance
that.
to respect their relationship. Even regardless of whether the guy himself made that distance or not, I chose to do it because I'm like, I don't want to get involved in shit. So for me, if
Mm.
another girl doesn't realize that, I already think that you're just not a girl's girl, you get me? Like if you can't respect the fact that your best friend has gotten into a relationship and like now there's a different I don't know boundary there, then that to me also shows like a little bit of a what the
Yeah,
fuck are you doing.
Like I'll never be that girl with any of my guys that like, oh, why aren't you hanging out with
I feel
me?
like
Or like,
you have to be a solid girl's girl, and if you are,
yeah,
that girl will know. I've
yeah,
never faced an
me
issue except
neither.
that one time, which I'm not friends with that guy anymore, so it's fair. But with all my current best friends who, if they've dated and stuff, I don't think that's ever been an issue where
Yeah,
they're like, I'm insecure of your friendship with her and stuff like that.
yeah. Because usually, like, even if like I know the guy from before, I'll be way more friendly with your girlfriend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I fully agree. I'm more excited about the fact that oh there's a babe in this like friend.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
you're not gonna die alone. Good
Exactly.
job.
Yeah.
No, it's just so fucking boring when it's just the guys. Sometimes it's true.
Oh fuck.
They have like three topics:
Yeah,
Football,
cars,
cars, football.
football.
What else is there?
finance,
That's it. Fuck, there are only
Imagine.
two.
Like, what's the thought?
finance, bro.
Yeah,
Guys
bro,
invested in
stocks.
that dog coin. Crazy.
Bro, that crypto shit. It's a bull market, bro. It's a bull market.
Fuck, bro.
Nah, it's sending me. I can't.
Oh my god, yeah.
Ah, that's funny.
Let's go back to the main
Yeah.
question, bro. Have you ever been attracted to someone and it didn't work out and then you've become best friends with them?
I've been attracted to someone, didn't work out, been best friends with them, and then kissed them after that.
Oh my days.
So, like, how does that work? Like,
Then it cut off my chest. No, it's fine.
So were you in
well,
the friendship with the motive that some point I'll kiss you, bitch?
No, it just presented
The
itself
opportunity
like the
came.
opportunity.
opportunity. And for me, more than my issue with my attraction for people is like sometimes for me it's not even that I want to date them or I like them. Sometimes like I wonder how their lips feel.
That's wild.
I just want to know,
Okay.
and then I'm good.
It's a curiosity
It's
thing.
just a curiosity thing.
Mm,
Then it
That's
is
the
love.
issue.
yeah.
Curiosity kills cat.
Yeah. Kills cat.
So wait, follow up question. After you kissed the guy, did you continue to stay best friends or did that like change something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I continue to be best friends with
So it
them.
didn't change anything between you guys?
No.
Fair enough, fair enough. How many of your friends have you kissed?
So,
I think everyone.
if my boyfriend sees this call, but then again, I'm so honest with him, so it's fine.
Like, I mean, current friends.
Current, two.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. And it's like completely platonic now. Like,
Completely platonic.
mm.
Yeah.
So was it platonic even while you were kissing? Like, or was there that thing in your mind that like maybe this could go somewhere?
No, I didn't think maybe this could go somewhere. To be honest, both those guy best friends that I have, I used to like them at one point.
Okay.
Okay. Like I started off with liking them.
Yeah.
And then back then, both of them didn't like me. Okay, this is
Mm.
all separate times, not like I was seeing two people at the same time. But both of them didn't like me. I was like not cool enough for them. Then I got super hot. Just kidding. I became a babe.
Fuck
And
yeah.
then at some point when I was after I became a babe, we kissed, and then I was like, got that off my. It was like an ego thing, I think, for me. Like I just wanted
Mm.
to for myself, not like they were involved. It's like a self thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like putting
Satis-
that. Yeah.
Satisfying my own little heart.
Fair, dude. That makes sense.
And then yeah, then after that I was like, I'm good.
Mm.
I was
Makes
back
sense.
to like being friends with them. No, it's like you have to just be clear that you don't see them as a partner.
Right.
And once you're clear about, I feel like it depends also. I, as a person, I'm super clear about what I want in a partner and what kind of partner I want. And like, like I can fully, if I see someone and I know someone, once I get to know them, I can fully be like, no, this yes, this no.
Mm.
Because, so because of that, it's much easier. But some people genuinely don't know, and that's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah.
I think maybe because I dated a lot that I've figured out what I want,
Correct.
but some people haven't. They end up being in these long relationships where they've been only with one guy for like 100 years. So you won't know, right?
Yeah.
But me, I have a lot of clarity in that. So if you have clarity, it's so easy to do that platonic thing.
That's fair, dude. Like you know very well what you want.
It's so like clear.
Yeah, so I was just gonna ask if you and a best friend or a friend hooked up or whatever, you didn't feel any type of way, but then they felt a certain type of way. How would you handle it?
Oh.
Fuck. Then full cancel. Like, stop being friends, no.
Yeah, there's no other way
I,
around
I would
it.
never lead someone on. It breaks my
Yeah.
So
heart,
has that
like
ever happened to
genuinely.
you, or is it just something you would do?
No, it's not happened to
Okay.
me. No, I've never ended friendships or like stopping friends with someone just because they had feelings for me like that. Oh
Hmm.
my god, is that sad? No, it's good.
No,
It's
not
good.
at all.
But like that's what like if you knew that they were into you, did you ever cross that line like of I don't know getting physically intimate with them or something like that?
No.
Okay, so you
Mm.
you
Then
kept a
I don't.
boundary
I
then.
make. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I 100% 100% keep the boundary. It's just kissing.
Yeah.
Like if I want them still in my life, I would not go
No,
further.
but that is my question though. So if even if you did kiss them and if they did like you, wouldn't that be a little bit of like a oh shit, like I'm leading that person on?
Like she knew they liked her before she kissed him.
Exactly.
I don't think she's
No,
done that.
I've never done
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
I didn't know they liked me before I kissed them.
But after you
Yeah.
kissed them, you
Like
found
I
out.
knew, yeah.
Oh,
Or no,
oh
like
shit.
maybe that day I got the vibes or
Oh,
like
right, right, right.
whatever. The thing is, so I think the two best friends that I have, the guys, they're full sluts.
Hmm.
Okay, so I know they don't like me, and they're like me only. To be honest, is why we're probably friends. Like I know they can differentiate between the physical thing and the
Emotional
emotional
thing, right,
thing.
right, right.
You know, that's why if I knew that my best friend like could
It's a
possibly
lover
be in
boy.
love with me,
Hmm.
never. I would never do that. I can't break hearts. I'm not a heartbreaker.
Oh, but look at that face. She says this, but hearts have been broken.
No.
Hmm.
I don't think I've ever led someone on, to be honest, for too long.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
fair enough.
Like in a month at least, I'll tell that, this is not working
Yeah.
out or whatever.
Shwek, do you want to answer that question?
Bro, no, bro. I've never, same. I don't think I've ever been in a situation where I would knowingly get with somebody who I feel is into me, but I'm not into them. I feel like I've only been in that situation once where I knew that this guy liked me and I was very clear about it's nothing but platonic for me. And I never crossed that line. I was never interested. In fact, I would even root for setting him up with other people. So I was like, please
Yeah.
leave me out of this equation.
Yeah, dude, that's fair. I always try to imagine, like, say I'm like in a situation where, like, oh, like anything is trying to happen, okay? I always try to imagine how I will tell this story to a future partner and how embarrassing it's going to be to have
Yeah,
Wow.
to.
You think?
that's pretty
I know.
proactive of you to think that far.
Because honestly, like when it comes to like these situations with like your friends or like someone you know, more than likely, dude, it's not gonna work out. Like is how
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah.
Like it's Dubai, it's sometimes like a one-time thing and like or
Yeah.
it's just very casual and stuff. I genuinely think about how this is going to come out later, and I'm like, oh, maybe this is not a good idea.
Hmm.
As an adult, I'm just not into that kind of lifestyle anymore in it. I just feel like
Yeah.
it's fun when you're at that age and you're exploring and you're like learning these things. But now once you've grown up and your frontal lobe has developed, it's a bit too much. Like I get too overwhelmed with these kind of situations. I don't want to be in this drama.
To do what? Which situation are you talking
Like anything, like
With
being involved with a friend or like these like one-time
Ah.
situations where it's like, okay, you're not sure where what the line is it gray area? Or like hooking up with somebody that I know another friend of mine has hooked up with. Shit like this. Like I'm not keen to be involved in any of that, like at this point in my
Mm.
life.
I've also been there.
No,
Like when
that's what
you're
I'm saying.
single, bro, your brain won't work. You're just like, how many can I? Just kidding. That's not true. It's just about how can I forget my heartache right now?
No, but I agree.
Okay,
I feel
not
like
how
even I don't know, like for example, when I moved to the UK and I was still like single and shit, I reached that point where I was like, bro, I'm not really feeling it anymore. Like if I meet somebody that's genuinely nice and I find like attractive and they like me, then maybe I'll think about it. But I was okay to just stay single.
It's Dubai, bro,
I
specifically. It's
fully
just too
agree. I
small.
and that's the other thing,
I
yeah.
don't want talking shit about me, dude. Like, I don't want anyone at this age to be like, yeah, she did this, she did that. Like, no, not about
But
that.
I
it's
I
too
still
late.
agree. Like I feel like when I hear these stories from you about like the
Yeah.
situation in Dubai, I feel like if I'm back in Dubai and I'm single, yeah, I would go back into that same pattern, bro. Because that's just the lifestyle there. Like would drag me back to that uni life.
No, but that's what I'm saying. Like, it's like an active decision I make to like not.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I don't want to like.
be back
It's
in
too
my
easy to
yeah.
talk to people here, dude. Like, I don't want to be in
Yeah,
that
fair enough.
situation. Okay, but let me do like another question, kind of related to this. Of like, have you ever been in a situation where like you are seeing a guy or you're being casual or hooking up, whatever it is, or you've
Mm.
like hooked up with one guy and your best friend has done the same.
With the
Hooked
same
up with the
guy.
same guy? Yeah.
Yeah. What do you guys think about that?
Oh, hecky.
Can't help it, it's Dubai. In Dubai? if you're in this whatever, I don't know what crowd this is. I've realized this is our one sector of people, but it's
Real.
not even school
Yeah,
specific.
Yeah,
it's our
it's not.
batch.
It's like
I'm telling you, it's that 96 to 2000, whatever, like, it's that few years.
and it's the party going crowd also.
It
It's
is.
not the I love my family, family friendly crowd. It's the ones that party, that are out and about. And then it's like, it's just that's you're all in the same circle. You can't help
Yeah.
it. And so, as if you're in that kind of crew with your girls, you make a do not touch list. These are boys that I've had emotional trauma with. Don't touch them.
Yeah.
Anything beyond that is okay. And then you have to do it early.
Hmm.
How do you feel about hooking up with guys who your friends have hooked up with?
Dude, I've not been in that situation.
Would you be okay with it if the opportunity presented itself?
I mean, more like it depends on how my friends see the guy. Like for me, like say if it's Shruts and like it's someone that she's seen in the past in any capacity, I'll like ask her like how she if she's comfortable with it. If she's not, then it's not happening. Like that's it.
If your friend says she's not comfortable,
Yeah, then
that's the
That
final
needs to
decision.
yeah,
be the end of it.
That needs to be the end
Like
goal.
yeah,
yeah, it can't move past that. And also usually it's not gonna be like, oh, I wanna see him. Like
Yeah.
like I would personally also I have the ick in that regard of like if you've seen someone they are a brother,
yeah.
okay, like I'm never gonna have feelings for them.
But then what if you feel like, oh, this guy could be it? And I'm saying no. What do you do?
How do you know he's it?
Exactly. Like it has to have progressed to a certain level for you to feel that way about the guy in it. So you've already crossed your
Yeah,
friend's boundaries.
What if in the beginning I was okay and then I come up to you one day and I was like, yo, I'm not feeling it. Like I'm
But then
feeling
your friend is
uncomfortable.
crazy because why didn't you just be
yeah,
honest with
then
your
like
friend?
then you need to like check yourself or like
Hmm,
you need to be like more adult about it.
fair.
Yeah, because
But only if it's it.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I think that is different though. Like, it's a really like a hard situation. But if one of my closest friends actually wants to see someone I've seen and is like, this is the love of my life, dude, why would I want to take that away from you? Like,
Yeah,
I have to deal
100%.
with that.
No, I agree.
Yeah,
I agree. No, but I feel
yeah.
like with regards to hooking up with somebody that a friend has hooked up with, I'm the kind of person who's very immediately like, I'm not interested, bro. Regardless of how deep you guys like were involved emotionally, doesn't matter to me. I just find it weird. Like that guy will always have that thing in his head, like I know what two friends look like. I don't know. That's how my brain thinks,
It,
and I'm immediately
that's
like dips out. Okay, anyway,
mm,
Shruth Sanj, what do you guys think? Can a guy and girl just be friends?
yes.
No.
Care to elaborate, guys?
No.
What about you? The last one.
No, I'm saying no, I
Oh.
don't care to elaborate.
Oh, okay, okay. No, if you're not. No, if you're slightly attracted. Oh, but then, you know, there's so many
There's
layers
many
to it.
conditions to it.
There's so many layers to this. That's the issue. It depends on how attractive you are, how attractive the guy is, whether he's attracted to you, are you attracted to
Are you guys
him?
in relationships?
Yeah, are
Like,
you in
what's
other relationships? Like, is one single, one dating?
have they dated your best friend? Like,
Fair
Exactly.
enough.
Context is so
context is
important.
very important.
It's not impossible, but
Yeah.
it's
I think
rare.
Yeah,
it's
I
very
fully
rare.
agree. I don't think it's impossible, but yeah, it is rare and so many conditions clearly.
And there's just so much to lose, dude, in that situation. Like, you like if it doesn't work out, like you lose your best friend
Yeah.
too. Like,
You
I said
also
no, I
have to
agree. I
answer.
also don't think it's impossible, but it's just fucking hard, bro. It's
Ah,
rare and there's
yeah.
always those three tequila shots.
correct.
On one
That's
lonely
something
night,
that I didn't say this time.
you didn't. Yeah.
One extra
One extra
tequila
tequila shot
shot
and
on one
everything goes
fucking
down the
lonely
drain. All
night.
morals, ethics.
Yeah, it's fine. Anything is
Correct. So
possible.
yeah, I think
Yeah,
we
we
are
are the
fully the problem.
problem. We come to this conclusion every
Facts.
episode.
That's true.
We should change our podcast, bro. It should be called RV Talks.
No,
We
I
are.
have a three-part book series that I want to write in my life. First one is, what are you
Rahul.
the no stop.
I promised him a couple shout outs.
First one is, what are you the problem? Second one is, I'm the problem. Third one is, maybe we'll have to just beep this out.
Nah,
And then
nah,
broke my heart.
nah. Shruts, for the sake of your safety, we're gonna cut that out, yeah? Guys, Shruts is really becoming unhinged now. We gotta cut this episode. Um,
Yeah, for her
yeah,
safety,
for
we'll
her
end
own
this.
safety, guys. But this was a great episode. You tell us, can a guy and girl just be friends?
Comment
Facts.
below.
Like, share,
Yeah,
subscribe, all that gang gang. See you friends.
exactly. If we get enough likes, I'll share Shrutz's IG.
No, I'm taken.
You can put your IG out there.
Just because there's a goal,
We're pimping you out.
Just because there's a goal.
doesn't mean you can't go.
Nah, that's wild. Anyway, see you friends. Bye.